In this video, I'll guide you through how to resolve a problem with a Vrbo property not as described. Whether you found yourself standing in a property that doesn't quite match the listing, like discovering fewer bedrooms than promised, missing major amenities, or even encountering significant cleanliness issues, it's important to know you're not alone and that you have options. First and foremost, Vrbo has your back with their Vrbo Care Guarantee, formerly known as Book with Confidence. This means you're protected against discrepancies between the listing and the actual property. So let's dive into what you should do first. Start by documenting everything. As soon as you recognize that something's off, take high quality photos and videos of the discrepancies. Let's say the listing promised a private office for your content factory work, but all you find is a kitchen table. Capture that on video. The more detailed your documentation, the stronger your case will be. Next, take a screenshot of the listing. Do this immediately before the host has a chance to change any descriptions or photos. This step is crucial because it preserves the original promises made to you on the listing. Having this evidence can be incredibly helpful if you need to escalate the issue later on. Now, it's time to communicate with the host. Use the Vrbo Messenger to send them a message. It's important to do this through the platform so there's a time-stamped record of your communication. Avoid calling or texting them privately first, as those methods won't provide you with the same documented proof. In your message, be clear and concise. For example, you could state, "The listing showed 3 bedrooms, but there are only 2. This is a material misrepresentation." Make sure your message is polite but firm and give them a reasonable deadline to respond, say 2 hours. This not only shows you're serious about resolving the issue, but also allows time for a practical solution to be arranged. Remember, maintaining a composed and factual tone in your messages will likely work in your favor as it demonstrates professionalism and a willingness to resolve the matter amicably. It's also a good idea to keep all your correspondence organized, as you may need to refer back to it if further action is required. By following these steps, you're taking proactive measures to address the situation effectively. If the host responds within the given time frame and offers a viable solution, great. If not, you may need to contact Vrbo support for further assistance. They can help mediate the situation and ensure your concerns are addressed. In conclusion, while it's frustrating to arrive at a property that doesn't match your expectations, knowing how to handle the situation can make a significant difference. By documenting everything, preserving the original listing, and communicating with the host through Vrbo's messaging system, you're setting yourself up for the best possible outcome. Stay calm, stay organized, and remember that Vrbo is there to support you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate any similar situations in the future.